So someone came in to bring the Apple Watch in for repair, and also asked us if we do other repairs, microsoldering repairs, such as random PCB stuff and whatnot. And yes, we do. So in this case, he brought in these displays for a golf cart mover, he said, or something like that. I think it's where you put these golf clubs in, and it's kind of like a scooter type of thing. I think that's what it is. And one of them has a broken screen. So I asked him, why is he, like, he's already got the other parts, why is he swapping this over? Well, this one has a function, I think it's a brake that this one doesn't have. So I'm gonna have to transfer the LCD, which is soldered on the other side, from this one to this one. So you can see here, this one is pretty broken. And we're going to use this screen and put it on here. It's through solder, so through hole solder. So here's what we're going to do. I got this nice desoldering machine here, and what I'm going to do is, because this is through hole soldering, you can see here, it's just going to suck up the solder. It's going to melt the solder, suck it up, and then I can just take the screen out, you know, without heating it with hot air or anything crazy like that. So I'm going to have to be very careful. So these are all the screen. This as well, I do believe. Yep. So there's like ground on here as well, and these 3 pins. I believe that's it for the screen itself. So I have to desolder this one and put the other one on, obviously without destroying the screen. So let me just cake it in flux. The desoldering machine is now up to heat. It's a very cheap desoldering machine that I only use occasionally, because most of the time it's not really something that we use in microsoldering. And to be honest, this is not really microsoldering. This is really just regular soldering. Like the size of these components are pretty big compared to like iPhone components. So like let me see if I can get it good with the camera. I need to put it at like an angle. So if I do this and press that, do it again. So it does melt it, but it doesn't pull. I think it's not hot enough yet. Yeah, I don't think it's hot enough. I think this has clogged the nozzle. Or maybe this part is clogged. So you're gonna try this here. Now it's full. Now it's clear. Now it's working. Cool. So let's try this again. Boom, and it's clear. You can see that solder's gone on that. Melt it, pull the button. Might need to have higher temperature on this. So let me go up a bit. Let's go to 400, more flux. Might not be the correct nozzle either. The nozzle's quite big because the last one I had, the last board I had in was really big. It was a caravan mover, and the solder joints on that were huge. So might have to change the nozzle. There we are. Go loose. There's a heat resistant mat, so I'm not too worried about that. See if I can. There we go. Nozzle's out. That's the big one. And then put the other one in. Slide it over. Okay, sorted. So this is a small nozzle. Let's heat it up again. It's not got the fancy on and off function like this one. So if I put it in, it's just going to keep heating. It's also not instantly hot like this one. Like this one, literally, you can see here, if you can see, 320 degrees. This is still 200. So it takes a while. We're going to be posting much more of this type of material on here. Like random micro soldering stuff. So really interesting. The other day I did an Xbox as well, Xbox Series 1X, Xbox Series X, you know, the big alien cube thing. And it was a very interesting repair. I wish I did film it. It was a random shot on a 12-volt rail. And the diagnosis process of that was pretty interesting. So next time I do come across that, I'm going to post that as well. Because I like watching this. Like, you know, people like Northridge Fix. I like watching, specifically him actually. He's pretty entertaining when it comes to stuff like this. Rossman anyway, you know, and all these YouTubers. There we are, 400 degrees. Might be overkill, but we'll see. Yeah, that's good. That one needs a bit more heat, looks like. Bit more flux on this one. That's the downside. I have to actually hold at an angle like that. Let me see if I can get this to focus better. Let's try that. And pull. And pull. Occasionally it'll fail to get it all out. Yeah, like those two for some reason. I wonder if I need more heat. I'm just going to do more heat just in case. Because 400 degrees it might not actually be 400 degrees. This was very cheap, this machine, so I'm very happy with the performance of it, but it's probably not 400 degrees. That's clear. So yeah, I think it's a heat thing. And pull. Almost. Not quite. See, and pull. See, it doesn't get all of it. It's like at the end there's still more. It's possible that the suction might not be strong enough, maybe. Yeah, all these are having issues for sure. Yeah, let me go up in heat again. $480 now is maximum. That's better. See if I can get it. Nope. Needs more heat. That one's still got some in there as well. See, let's give it some more time to melt. And then pull. Try it again. Melt. Keep melting. And pull. Clear. And now the other side. This one's a bit closer to the board. Like here, these pins, they're a bit too close to the board, so I hope I can still solder it. This one's ground is going to take a lot of heat. Almost got it. And this one. It's possible that the screen is stuck on as well, in addition. I hope not. Might be a problem. Boom. Nah, need more. Okay. More knees. This one's still having trouble with this one. Because it's ground, it needs a lot of heat. Might work, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, it's not gonna come off. Oh, wait. Aha. I can actually retouch those ground parts because this can come off independently of the frame. See this? I thought I need to take this off, but it looks like I can detach it from this frame, which appears to be stuck on. So I can actually reattach the ground pads, and then I can get rid of these screens. See, it's out on one side, it's still stuck on the other slightly, but that's much easier actually, that I can do that. So it must still be stuck on one of these somewhere. Not these here, because this is ground and this is from the frame itself. But these, one or more might still be stuck. I think this one might be stuck, that one's slightly stuck. But these are loose enough now. I can just, it's fine, it's just slightly attached to the side. Boom, boom. Move that. That one needs a bit of work. That one right here. See if it comes out now. Still attached somewhere. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. These are all loose now. I think. Should be good. Yep, there we go. So this is now detached. As you can see, this I think might be the backlight actually. So this looks like it's the backlight. That's the screen. It attaches like that. So that looks okay. So now on the other one, going to take it off, and on that one I have to be very careful because I can't break this one obviously because of the screen. So hopefully I can get it off without any problems. I'm going to try not to pull as much as I did on this. This one didn't matter because it's just broken anyway, but we'll see now. So these I don't need to detach, but these I do. No, that one I don't need. Need way more flux. Whoops, that's a bit much. Oh, that's way too much. Okay, let me take a cotton bud. That's way too much flux. That's about okay. Heat, heat, heat. And pull. Keep heating. Wiggle. Pull. Heat. Wiggle. Pull. And rinse and repeat. So far, smooth. Wiggle. It helps to wiggle a bit, I find. Especially when you pull the nozzle out, just to center it so it doesn't touch the side walls. Like that. Heat, wiggle. See, that one's a bit attached, so let me put some more flux on. That one might be a bit attached as well. No, it's fine. Okay, let's see. Boom, boom, boom. That one feels like it's still attached somewhere. Not that. This is very therapeutic. That one needs to be done again. Need some more flux as well. Let me put some more flux on. Yeah, that one for some reason doesn't want to go. Okay, let's test it. Loosen that a bit. Loosen that. Loose, 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 loose. That one feels a bit funny. Loose. That one's definitely solid. And that one's solid, okay. So these two down there. Actually, this one might be fine. This one needs doing. Okay, let's see. Loose, loose, loose. Okay, that side's done. This side is a bit close to this board as usual. That one is, I don't think that's a pin, I think that's just, yeah, it's just a hole, okay. Got up. Boom. This is the working screen. This is the working screen, and it has to go onto this board. See if I need to clear more, or if I can just slot it in. This one has a bit of dirt on it. See this one, a bit of the PCB coating. Let me get rid of that. Lock looks good. Good luck lining them up. Ah, there we go. Got it. Got it. And boom, it's in. Very nice, cool. So that's in now. You can see here, all of them are aligned, all of them are in. And now we're just going to solder to it, that's it. So I can switch this machine off. So, screen's in now, all the pins are aligned. And let's see, I'm going to use normal solder, not solder paste. like a normal spool solder like this. Just do like that. Focus it as usual. I need to reattach these as well this year. Not exactly the right tip, but it works, so that's fine. And by the way, I am using the JBC nails. So it can do a lot of heat. Obviously not like a massive iron, but it's good enough. This is ground, by the way. It's not bad. Some on this. Put some on here. Okay, here we go. That's all done. Now I'm just going to clean it up a bit with a toothbrush. Screens in. Toothbrush and alcohol. Don't want to ruin the screen with this. So if I take a wipe, I don't want to get flux all over the screen. Boom. Very nice. Look at it. Okay, I need to... Where's my brake cleaner? Again, secret weapon, brake cleaner. Use it. It's good stuff. Puts your bolt cleaner to shame. It's also much cheaper, so it's probably the same stuff as bolt cleaner. It's just cheaper, a lot cheaper. We get cotton bud. Clean up some more. Completely unnecessary what I'm doing now, but as is usual, I like doing this. Okay, that's good. This side. There you go. And then with small cotton buds, pointy small cotton buds. With a, this is broken, this one. I can clean in between as well. And maybe finish off with a toothbrush. Looks good. It's very hard to get in between now. There you go. All good. Gonna clean the screen a bit as well. I wouldn't use brake cleaner with that, just in case. I'm not sure if the brake cleaner is gonna eat through the LCD or not. But here we go. Screen. Perfect. So that's all sorted. Boom. So we transferred the new LCD to this old board, which has an extra function with the brake. So that's all sorted. You can see here it's pretty chewed up, this LCD, and there's a brand new one on there. I can't actually test this, but I'm 99% sure this will work no problem. So if you found this interesting, give us a like, subscribe. We're gonna have much more content like this as well. We're gonna do much more random stuff like this. I do like this kind of work, which is why I bought that desoldering machine, even though you don't need it for like the normal phones and iPads and laptops. You don't usually use that. But yeah, I do like this random kind of soldering as well. But there's going to be much more content like this. We also have a schedule now as well. I'm going to try and upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So 3 times a week, hopefully, if I'm not too busy. And I do this outside of work. So it's now 5:30 p.m. So yeah, give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.